Recently, how much funding was approved for installation of solar plants under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana by the government? PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. How much total outlay of how many crores was approved for installation of solar plants? 55,023 कोटी, 75,021 crore, 85,021 crore, 65,021 crore.
55
75,021 crore, 75021 crore total outlay for PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Which day is celebrated as Wildlife Day? 2 3 4 मार्च 5 मार्च.
3 मार्च।
3 मार्च।
3
3 March.
March.
थीम थिला कनेक्टिंग पीपल एंड प्लानेट, exploring digital innovation in wildlife conservation. Connecting people and planet, exploring digital innovation in wildlife conservation. Yars missile, YARS, Yars missile is an intercontinental ballistic missile developed by which country? Yars missile. Russia, China, Israel, India.
रसिया।
रसिया बिल्कुल. Intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, by Russia. Aditi scheme, recently seen in the news, is associated with which sector? Aditi scheme. Defense, health, education, financial.
Education.
Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh launched Aditi scheme, allocating 750 crore,
Defense.
allocating 750 crore for Aditi scheme, 750 कोटी, to develop 30 deep tech critical technologies, fostering youth innovation and addressing armed forces needs. Recently, which ministry has been honored with award for best performance in accounts during financial year 23-24? Best performance in accounts. Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. କାହାକୁ ମିଳିଲା ବେଷ୍ଟ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ଇୟର 23-24? ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ଅଫ୍ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରଡକାଷ୍ଟିଂ. Indirama housing scheme is associated with which state? Indirama housing scheme. ତେଲେଙ୍ଗାନା. Audible ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Recently, which country became the first Spanish-speaking nation to recognize Indian pharmacopoeia?
ହଁ।
First Spanish-speaking nation କିଏ ହେଲା?
ଅପସନ୍
ଚିଲି, କ୍ୟୁବା, ନିକାରାଗୁଆ, पेरू.
ନିକାରାଗୁଆ।
Nicaragua बिल्कुल became the first Spanish-speaking nation to recognize Indian pharmacopoeia. Okhla Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? Okhla Bird Sanctuary. Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Okhla, Uttar Pradesh. Which day is observed as National Safety Day in India? 3, 4, 5, 6 मार्च.
5.
5 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ।
4 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ. ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଡେ ଯୋଉଟା ସେଫ୍ଟି ଡେ ବି ସେଇଦିନ ହୁଏ 4 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ. ରୂପା ତାରକସ or silver filigree of which state received
କଟକ।
GI tag?
ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
Odisha. Katak's
ଓଡ଼ିଶା।
renowned Rupa Tarakasi or silver filigree secured GI tag. GI tag ର register office କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ଚେନ୍ନାଇ. ବିଲକୁଲ. Which provision of Indian Constitution poses a major hurdle to regulate coal mining in Nagaland? Which provision of Indian Constitution? Article 370, 371A, 246, 256.
371A.
बिल्कुल. नागालैंड कथा कहलानी तो ऑब्वियसली 371A. Recently, which ministry hosted the first Blue Talks meeting on ocean in New Delhi? The first Blue Talks meeting on the ocean in New Delhi. Word ରୁ ବି ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଯାଉଛି ocean କହିଲାଣି. Ministry of Earth Sciences hosted first Blue Talks meeting in New Delhi. Who has received Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2024? महाराष्ट्र भूषण अवार्ड 2024 अनिल काकोदकर, अशोक सराफ, प्रदीप महाजन, बाबा साहेब पुरंदरे.
प्रदीप महाजन.
प्रदीप महाजन. Dr. Pradeep Mahajan received Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2024. Nava Seva Fort is located in which state?
मुंबई महाराष्ट्र.
महाराष्ट्र
महाराष्ट्र बिल्कुल. जहां कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू पोर्ट भी कहती. Recently, L&T commissioned its first indigenously manufactured electrolyzer at which place? हाजीरा गुजरात, इंदौर मध्य प्रदेश, अजमेर राजस्थान, कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश. जो नाटा टी ऑड लगुथुवा सेटा ही मारदव सबले एग्जाम रे. हाजीरा गुजरात. L&T commissioned its first indigenously manufactured electrolyzer at Hazira, Gujarat. What is the name of mobile app recently launched by Minority Affairs Minister Smriti Irani for Hajj pilgrims? Hajj pilgrims app, Hajj Subidha app, Hajj Seva app, Hajj Yatra app.
ଯାତ୍ରା.
जे पढ़िथिबो ठीक कहबो. हज
ନା,
सुविधा app.
सुविधा
ସୁବିଧା.
हज सुविधा. करेंट अफेयर बेसी गले कहबो हैला. एना धीरे धीरे करी कंप्लीट करिया जेंति पूरा कवर हो. Recently, India's first green hydrogen plant in stainless steel sector has been inaugurated in which state? India's first green hydrogen plant in stainless steel sector. हरियाणा,
गुजरात.
उत्तर प्रदेश, गुजरात, राजस्थान. हिसार हरियाणा.
गुजरात.
हिसार हरियाणा रे इनॉग्रेट हला इंडिया's first green hydrogen plant in stainless steel sector. Which country recently became the first country to include right to abortion in its constitution?
फ्रांस.
France, Poland, Malaysia. France, बिल्कुल. France became the first nation to embed the right to abortion in its constitution. B. Sai Pranit is associated with which sports?
टेनिस ना कौन. बैडमिंटन.
Badminton. Recently, which institute hosted All India Research Scholars Summit 2024? Recently, which institute hosted All India Research Scholars Summit 2024? IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, IIM Ahmedabad, IIT Bombay. All India Research Scholars Summit 2024. IIT Madras hosted. Recently, who became the first woman sniper of Border Security Force? Who became first woman sniper of Border Security Force? Tanushree Parikh, Suman Kumari, Sonali.
सुमन कुमार.
सुमन कुमारी
Suman
Kumari.
बिल्कुल. Sub Inspector Suman Kumari is the first woman sniper in BSF. Recently, which state government has launched an initiative to support young entrepreneurs called M-Yuva scheme? M-Yuva scheme.
यूपी.
उत्तर प्रदेश बिल्कुल. मुख्यमंत्री युवा उद्यमी विकास अभियान. M-Yuva. मुख्यमंत्री युवा उद्यमी विकास अभियान. Recently, where was the Asian River Rafting Championship organized? Asian River Rafting Championship. Dehradun, Varanasi, Simla, Ayodhya.
अयोध्या
सुखविंदर सिंह सुक्खू. Simla.
Nasi.
Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu inaugurated Asian River Rafting Championship in Simla. Project Seabird, India's largest naval infrastructure project, is located in which state? Project Seabird. Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. India's largest naval infrastructure project, Project Seabird. Karnataka. Karnataka. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated?
बिहार
Bihar.
बिहार
बिहार
Bhopal, Lucknow, Patna, Dehradun.
पटना
Patna.
Pat-
पटना
Patna. Risa Textile, which has recently received a GI tag, belongs to which state? Risa Textile,
West
RIS.
Bengal.
Assam,
West Bengal.
Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura.
त्रिपुरा
Tripura, बिल्कुल. Tripura's traditional tribal attire, Risa, has been granted GI tag. Recently, which country discovered a 5,000-year-old cemetery belonging to a Copper Age society? Which country discovered a 5,000-year-old cemetery belonging to Copper Age society? Iran, Egypt, Italy, Vietnam.
ईरान
Egypt.
Italy. Italian archaeologists recently uncovered a 5,000-year-old cemetery from Copper Age. What is the rank of India in World Bank's Women Business and Law Index? 112, 13, 14, 15.
13.
113 बिल्कुल. फास्ट कथा है वुमेन बिजनेस एंड लॉ इंडेक्स पब्लिश करे वर्ल्ड बैंक तो इंडिया रैंक थी 113. ई किसान उपज निधि was launched by which ministry? E Kisan Upaj Nidhi initiative. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Ministry of Food Processing Industries.
Food and consumer.
बहुत कन्फ्यूजन अच्छी ऑप्शन रे नहीं. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution launched E-Kisan Upaj Nidhi initiative to make the agriculture sector the cornerstone of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Recently, which ministry launched digital intelligence platform and Chakshu facility on Sanchar Sathi portal? Launched digital intelligence platform DIP and Chakshu facility on Sanchar Sathi portal. Ministry of Power, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Art Science,
Communication.
Communication, Ministry of Communication. Which state recently discovered Neolithic child burial site? Recently, which state discovered Neolithic child burial site? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Kerala. Chengalpatture.
Maharashtra.
Chengalpatture.
Karnataka.
Tamil Nadu. Students from University of Madras discovered a Neolithic child burial site in Chettimedu Pathur, Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. ଏମିତି ନା କାହିଁକି ଦଉଛ? ଏତିକି ଥାଉ କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଜଲ୍ଦି ସରିବ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ?
Fine.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସରିଗଲା. ଏତିକି ଥିଲା.
ନା ଥିଲା ଆମର ଓଡିଆ ଇଂଲିଶ ଥିଲା ଦିଟା ରହିଛି ନାଉ ନାଉ ଓଡିଆ ଗ୍ରାମାର ରଖିଆ
ନାଉନ୍ ଥିଲା.
ହଁ ଆଉ କ୍ରିୟା ବି ଥିଲା
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ କ୍ରିୟା ଥିଲା. ଓଡ଼ିଆଟା ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗିବ. ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ବେଦିକେଜ୍. ବେଦିକେଜ୍.
ବେଦିକେ ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିଛି
There are how many verses in Rig Veda? 1028, 1128, 1020, 1017.
1028.
1028.
1028.
1028, बिल्कुल. The basic script of Rig Veda was what? Devanagari, Pali, Brahmi, Kharosthi.
Brahmi.
Brahmi. बिल्कुल. Which Brahmin epic is associated with Rig Veda? Aitreya Brahmin, Gopatha Brahmin, Satapatha Brahmin, Taitreya Brahmin.
Aitreya Brahmin.
Aitreya, बिल्कुल. Collection of which of the following is based on Rig Veda? Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda, none of these. Collection of which of the following is based on Rig Veda? Sam Veda. Collection of Sam Veda is based on Rig Veda. Famous mantra Gayatri mantra is found on which text at first?
ऋग वेद
मनुस्मृति, अथर्व वेद, वेद, बहुत बढ़िया ऋग वेद. Vedatrayi includes which three Vedas? Vedatrayi,
First center.
बिल्कुल. ऋग वेद, यजुर वेद, साम वेद. Who had composed Gayatri mantra? Vishwamitra, Parikshita, Vasishtha, Indra.
Samudra.
Vishwamitra. Which Vedic epic mentioned the word Varna at first? Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda, Yajur Veda.
Yajurveda.
Rig Veda mentioned the word Varna at first. Purusha Sukta is originally found in which Veda?
ऋग
Rig
वेद
Veda.
Rig,
Rig Veda.
Rig Veda. The most of Rig Vedic suktas are devoted to which deity? Agni, Rudra, Indra, Vishnu.
Agni.
Agni.
Indra. Indra. The most of Rig Vedic suktas are devoted to Indra. Who among the following was a Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of Veda? Gargi, Savitri, Lopamudra, Lilavati.
Gargi.
Lopamudra. Lopamudra was a Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of Vedas. Which is the most popular hymn of Rig Veda? Gayatri, Anustup,
Gayatri.
Tristup,
Gayatri.
Jagati.
Gayatri.
Tristup. Most popular hymn କହିଛି. Most popular hymn ହେଲା Tristup. Tristup ହେଇଥିବ ସେଇଟା. Tristup. Which river is called Nadittam in Rig Veda? Nadittama in Rig Veda. Jhelum, Saraswati, Ravi, Vyas.
Saraswati.
सरस्वती
Saraswati. What is the Vedic name of river Ravi? Parushni.
Parushni.
Parushni. The most mentioned river in early Vedic literature is what? Sindhu, Saraswati, Satadri, Ganga.
Sindhu.
Sindhu.
सिंधु
Sindhu is the most mentioned river. Bipasa was the ancient name of river of which river?
बेयस
Ravi. Sir, Bear.
बेयर
Bear.
Yes. Satadri,
सतलेज
Satluj.
Satluj.
Saraswati.
Saraswati.
सरस्वती
ନାଇଁ ସରସ୍ୱତୀର ancient name କୋଉ modern name river ର?
Saraswati.
ଘଗର.
ଘଗର ଅଲଗା ଗୋଟେ ନାମ.
ଏଠି ତ ଏମିତି ଦେଇଛି ଆଉ. UPPSC ରେ ପଡିଥିଲା. ଥିବ କ'ଣ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିବ ଆଉ. What is the modern name of Vedic river Sadanira? Yamuna, Gandak, Narmada, Jhelum.
ଗଙ୍ଗା.
ଗଙ୍ଗା ନାହିଁ,
ଗଙ୍ଗା ତ ନାହିଁ.
ଗଣ୍ଡକ ଥିଲା.
Gondok.
ଗଣ୍ଡକ ବିଲକୁଲ. ଗଣ୍ଡକର ancient name Vedic name ଥିଲା ସଦାନୀର. ବିତସ୍ତା.
झेलम
झेलम.
Hello.
Asikini,
Chinap.
Chenab.
Chenab. There is similarity in Rig Veda and Jain Avesta. Jain Avesta is associated with which region? Egypt, Israel, India, Iran.
Egypt.
Egypt.
Iran. Jain Avesta is associated with Iran. What is the word meaning of the term Arya? Warrior, great, priest, scholar.
Warrior.
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 9. Great. The name of which Vedic deity is not mentioned in Bogachkoi inscription? Indra, Mitra, Varuna, Agni.
Agni.
Agni aguru pacharthili. Agni was not mentioned in Bogachkoi inscription. Which inscription tells about Aryans' movement from Iran to India? Mansehra, Bogachkoi, Sahabazghari, Junagadh.
Bogoskoi.
Bogachkoi. ଆଜି ଯାଇକି ପଢ଼ିବ ବୋଗଜକୋଇ ନହେଲେ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନରେ ଆସିବ ବୋଗଜକୋଇ. BOGHAZKOI. The sage who is said to have Aryanized South India was who? Who was the sage or Rusi
Option.
who had Aryanized South India? Vishwamitra, Vasishtha, Agastya, Sambar.
Agastya.
Agastya, बिल्कुल. The largest number of mantras in Rig Veda belongs to which deity? Agni, Varuna, Vishnu, Yama.
Agni.
Agni.
बिल्कुल. Which of the following gods was considered as war god in Vedic pantheon? Varuna, Mitra, Indra, Agni.
Indra.
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 Indra, बिल्कुल. Which Vedic deities was believed to be their priest? Agni, Indra, Brihaspati, Dyosa.
Brihaspati.
Brihaspati, बिल्कुल. What is the first form of Shiva found in literature? Yogi, Pasupati, Rudra, Kalyankrata.
Rudra.
Pasupati.
Rudra.
Rudra is the first form of Shiva found in literature. Who were not known to Rigvedic Aryans? Shiva, Soma, Maruta, Indra.
Maruta.
Maruta known thila Shiva. Shiva was not known to
Shiva.
Rigvedic Aryans. ଏତିକି ଥାଉ ପୁଣି କାଲି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା. ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍.